Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to activate dark mode in Facebook app. Uh, we know everybody of us wants dark mode on Facebook app because when it's night your eyes want dim light. So if it's not dark there, the extra light, bright light, puts much strain on your eyes, thus uh, making your eyes ache or feel bad. So today I'm going to show you how to activate dark mode on Facebook app. So let's get started. So I'm going to launch my Facebook app. So you see I'm already using dark mode. So how did I do? I'm going to show you that. So um, so what you need to do, you just need to launch your Facebook app, then access the menu from the right top. You see here is the menu. So go to the menu and go to the bottom of that page. So you see settings and privacy. So settings and privacy, just click there and the arrow will expand itself and give you um, other menus like settings and privacy shortcuts. So you need to click on settings. So click on settings and you will be presented with some many more options like password and account information, password and security, payments, and many other things. So we don't need this. We need to activate um, dark mode. So go to the bottom of this page, not so bottom but almost in the middle. So you see there, here, dark mode. So click that option, dark mode. So you will see um, three options there: on, off, or use system settings. So currently I'm using system settings, that's why you see it's dark there. My theme, it's dark in night. So the Facebook app has adapted itself to my device setting uh, with dark theme. So if you don't want to use this, you can simply if you want to use dark mode at any time, so just simply click on. So then um, you will see that Facebook is using dark mode at any time regardless of your device settings. We know that many mobile phones still don't have dark mode, so Facebook app can't adapt itself with the device settings with dark mode and light mode. So if your device doesn't support dark mode yet, you can simply click on Facebook and it will use dark mode anytime. So you need to manually switch it off again coming here. So if you just click on off, then it will just dark mode will go away and you will see light mode. So this is the settings. Actually I recommend, if your device actually supports dark mode and if you see this menu on Facebook app in your phone, then I recommend you use system settings. So it will automatically turn on dark mode according to your device and turn off it according to your device setting. So if you don't like it at all, so just simply click here, keep it off. So this way you can actually use dark mode settings in Facebook app. So I'm gonna turn it on again. So one more time I'm going to show you. So you need to just launch the Facebook app, then on the right top side you just need to access the menu where you can see your profile names and memories, friends, groups, videos, and was many things. So below all of this, you see help and support, and you see settings and privacy. So we need to click on settings and privacy, and then settings. So if you click settings, you will be presented with this page. So just go a little bit below of the page, then you see a dark mode here. Dark mode, so click on dark mode, then choose the setting as you want on for using Facebook dark mode at any time, regardless but to your device settings. Off for turning dark mode off, I mean to keep using the light mode. And if you want just want Facebook to use dark mode according to your device, when your device use a dark theme, Facebook will automatically turn on dark mode settings. So then you need to use click on use system settings. Okay, so I'm gonna stay with this one, use system settings. So this was our tutorial today. I hope you liked it. So please subscribe my channel to get more tips like this, and please like and share. Thank you.